Okay, guys, so I had to show you a new tradition we started over Christmas with this train set. Now, I've always seen those houses that have the train set going around the Christmas tree. I always thought it was kind of cool. As you see, my tree is in the corner. We couldn't really place it here, but I still wanted to use it. So I was like, I'm going to have it going around the coffee table, and it has worked perfectly. So I'm showing you everything that's included in the box, and I thought setup was going to be a headache, but surprisingly, it was not. All you have to do is lay your track around in a circle. Of course, you're going to have curved pieces as well as straight pieces. The tracks hook together very easily. Of course, you can have your family help you go ahead and assemble it, but really it is a one-person job. I have never put a train like this together, and it was so easy to do. The coolest thing about this train are the sounds, and if you add a little bit of water, the train actually smokes. So I'm going to let you see what it looks like all together in action. Oh my God, it's so cool. I love the chair. Look, the smoke. As you can tell, my husband and I were acting like two big kids because we just thought this was the coolest thing. This is for sure an every Christmas thing. And one more thing to tell you, our train never derailed. This was super sturdy and stable. So if you're looking for the cutest Christmas tradition for your household, I have found the perfect one for you.